Have you been looking for a better way to use your glass jars for liquid? I may have a solution for you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of these lids for your glass jars, which pretty much make it so any one of your jars can be used for liquid. So these do come as a 6-pack of assorted colors, and there's actually some extra seals as well. If you look on the bottom here, you can see there is a seal here. Now, I do want to note this part, the little clasp here, this does not have a seal on it, but we're going to put some water in here and we're going to give this a test and see if it works. I usually use these plastic lids, but I tend to use my glass jars for lots of different liquid things, including dressing. And normally, like, I have this lid on there, I put a spoon in there for the dressing. It's kind of a pain. So this is going to be the solution. Let's fill this one up with water and show you guys just how cool they are. All right, here's the test. Jar, you can see the water, lid, make sure this is clamped shut. I also like that it has a little handle, so if you want to use these to make your smoothies and keep your smoothies in, or even as a water bottle, anything you want. I love glass containers. So let's see, let's put it to the test. Flip it over, give it a shake, let's pretend it fell. We got nothing, no liquid is coming out of there. Nothing, no liquid, and I filled it pretty much to the top just to show you guys that it's not going to leak. Now I'm sure you may be wondering, why are you putting dressing in a jar? Homemade dressing is super easy to make, and I like storing it in the glass jars. Also, you can buy dressing for way cheaper if you buy it by the gallon, and I use this type of dressing for marinades and all kinds of things. So this makes it so I have a little jar up here in my refrigerator upstairs, which is really nice. These are great, no leaks. Look at that. Easy to clean too. You can just throw them in your dishwasher to clean them. If you guys are looking for a great way to make it so you can put liquid things in your glass jars, we recommend this.